Hi guys, it's Asia. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing my fall favorites. So, the first thing on my fall favorites list would have to be the lip color that I have on right now. I've been loving it, and surprisingly this came just from your local Family Dollar. It is the LA Colors matte, and it's in the color Danger. I recommend you pick it up. This is how it looks. I recommend you pick it up, and yeah, it's only $1, so I mean, splurge, get as much color as you need. This is a great fall lip color. Just put it out there. Secondly, we have another fall lip color. This is a lipstick and not a liquid lipstick like the first one. This is just the LA Colors matte lipstick. I'm not sure what color it's in, but it's the burgundy color. That's the color I grabbed, and it just looks really good on your lips. It's matte, but not as matte as like a liquid lipstick, but it's still matte and it works. Another fall favorite, I couldn't do this video without including at least a few pieces of technology. So I would have to say that my Apple AirPods are another fall favorite because I just have to have it. If I don't have these earbuds, I don't have anything, and I'm just sad. Another fall lip favorite is this hydrating lip oil by RK by Kiss. It's a hydrating lip oil. It's very, very oily, very moisturizing. Just be careful, don't kind of leave it out because it does like overflow. So you guys can see it's kind of messy, just a little. Next, I have two accessories that I really love for fall. This is my blue bracelet. Make sure you guys can see. It's like this, and it has this little metal clasp like that. And so does this one. This one stretches, this one does not. This one is a form-fitted bracelet, and it also has the metal clasp. And these two have been like my go-to for fall. I love the colors. This one is like a champagne and the blue Aphrodite bead. I think that's the name of it. Hepatite bead. And I really do love this. Food wise, I'll insert a picture right here of what the foods that I'm gonna be talking about that are fall favorites. I have to start off with coffee. Coffee is a must during fall. It's cold, you're gonna need it. I like off of the Starbucks menu, I love the white chocolate mocha, and I love to add 1 or 2 pumps of peppermint flavoring. I feel like it just transforms the drink into something magical and wonderful. Recommend you guys try it out. Another drink that I would really recommend from Starbucks is their vanilla bean cream frappuccino. And what I'm gonna need you to do with the drink is you can get that, the way it comes, add some peppermint to it, it'd be fine. But if you want to get really deep with it, get you a vanilla bean cream frappuccino. Sub the whole milk for coconut milk, add caramel drizzle, no whipped cream, and I promise you, it's the best fall drink. It just tastes so good. It's so smooth, and after the ices melt in your iced coffee, then it's basically like sweet milk, sweet coconut milk, and it's really good. I recommend it, highly recommend it to anyone. As far as like food goes, anything hot, anything toasted, I love blueberry cream cheese danishes. Like, they're great honey buns. Honey buns are so good and so underrated. Y'all should go get y'all some honey buns. Recommending it. And last but not least, I got a piece of tech in this fall favorites video that I decided to put it in because not only will it benefit me in my college career, but it will also benefit me in my YouTube career as well. And I got a MacBook Pro. I mean, I'm just gonna isn't it great? It's like I got the 13-inch MacBook Pro in space gray, and I'm freaking obsessed. Just really loving it. If you guys would like me to do a video explaining like what I went through to get my MacBook and everything, so you guys can get you one. I will be glad to make that video for you guys. But this is the end of my fall favorites, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.